The biggest issue facing our industry today really revolves around data privacy. There's a lot of changes right now in the world of tech, meaning the browsers and ad blockers and all of that stuff that's going on. We see changes when it comes to laws like GDPR, and we see changes when it comes to users' behavior. They don't want to be measured as much either. And because of those three sort of superstorms colliding together, it really is affecting data privacy. Now, how have issues like data privacy affected the world of measurement? Well, in short, it means that you have to do just as much as you've been doing in the past, but with less data. Let's face it, users don't want to be measured in the same ways that they were measured before. And so you're not going to have all of this juicy data that you're used to having in the past. Fortunately, when you do measurement correctly, you won't really need it. As you struggle to get through data privacy regulations that are happening more and more, as you struggle with not being able to measure everything that you once could, you really do need to use tools like Google Tag Manager. In this course, Google Tag Manager for Beginners, you're going to learn the power of Google Tag Manager and how you can use it to consolidate your efforts when it comes to measurement and even improve the quality of the data that you are measuring for. I personally have a passion for teaching. I love turning on the light bulbs, having those moments where students such as yourself see a new tool or a new way of thinking about something and go, this is why I can do this. This is what empowers me by empowering you.